love, girl, I got up on her voice. Make up a bag of night. Girl, why she will take it na the crowd? When me say fish up the fuck up, she a squeal.
Oh, easy. What's the FG wash? She will take it to the crowd? I the bum buckle out. Hey, girl, I'm like to anyway, no. Hey, I love that girl later. Hey.
Look no wife, walk you with my knife. I make you fall in love, girl, I got up on her voice. Make up a bag of night. Girl, why she will take it na the crowd? When me say fish up the fuck up, she a squeal. Lucky to stop now up in a pussy on the stream. And you just like a meal.
Oh no, play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm gonna shut that select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. Hey, move around.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back when I hit and I smashing it out. And I don't say already from the type of people what we deal with today. Yeah, man, we have another video from the Black Yard. Boy, the vendetta boss himself. Who me a talk about? Yeah, who don't know me a talk about, man. You see me the youngest and the baddest. At least he used to be the youngest. From one of the baddest still. You don't know me a talk about Alkaline. Yeah, man, today I'm there with that song from the vendetta boss, Alkaline, man. Yeah, man, entitled No Wife. Now, I'm dropped the song like 6 days ago. You see me? I'm going to listen to the song or the video, obviously, like always. And we're going to check it out today and see exactly what's about and what's going on. You see me? So, hopefully it's a late video. Like always, you're known to make some hits, you know what I'm saying, some brand new. So, hopefully, this is a smash video. You don't know, I know y'all like Alkaline videos. So, hopefully it's a lit song and y'all enjoy the video. So, if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please turn on the notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload. For my returning viewers and subscribers, I appreciate y'all. We're going strong over here, man. We're almost there, man. Come on, keep growing. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all for the comments, the shares, the likes, and the subscription, man. Just keep subscribing. We're going to grow and get even better. I appreciate all of y'all. Shout outs is coming back. Comments is coming back. Y'all gonna see it on the screen. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, I just want to continue. Christmas around the corner, man. My birthday is in January, so guys, all I want is 2K subs, guys. That's all I want about my birthday. Can I get 2K subs? Run it up. And can I get 50 likes on this video, guys? 50 likes. That's all I want. 50 likes. So smash the like button before you get into the video. We're gonna check it out right now. This is Alkaline new song entitled No Wife. Yeah, man, let's get it. Come in, Alcabas. This is what I want.
Fucking hell.
Check out.
Now look no wife, walk you with my knife. I make you fall in love, girl, I got up on her voice. Make up a bag of night. Girl, why
the man say, nah, look no wife, no stab you with my knife. Make you fall in love. Y'all on top of them voice, I make fuck that. Hey, the man that just jump straight tonight. I don't even think the beat drop it. The man that jump straight tonight, bum buckler. No lie, I can pull it up. We got to pull it up from them. Hey, this is Alkaline, No Wife. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let's get it.
fucking hell. Now look no wife, walk you with my knife. I make you fall in love, girl, I got up on her voice. Make up a bag of night. Girl, why she will take it na the crowd? When me say fish up the fuck up, she a squeal.
Oh, easy. What's the FG wash? She will take it to the crowd? I the bum buckle out. Hey, girl, I'm like to anyway, no. Hey, I love that girl later. Hey.
Look no wife, walk you with my knife. I make you fall in love, girl, I got up on her voice. Make up a bag of night. Girl, why she will take it na the crowd? When me say fish up the fuck up, she a squeal. Lucky to stop now up in a pussy on the stream. And you just like a meal.
Easy. Bum buckle out. Easy, Alka. Hold on. Hey, bum buckle out. Me I pull that up. Hey, guys, me pull up.
Her voice, make up a bag of night. Girl, why she will take it na the crowd? When me say fish up the fuck up, she a squeal. Lucky to stop now up in a pussy on the stream. And you just like
yeah, what's up? When me say shut the fuck up, she a scream. Are you cocky juice I run up with that belly and don't stream. Hey, little boy, hey, Alkaline, you move so dog. Yeah, man, you drop song once a month, brother, but when you drop them, I don't lie, they work the weight, don't it? Bumbo clock, brother. I like when now they come with a different flow and a different style, you know, man. Bumbo clock, I know one thing about the coming, I know one thing about the song. You see me, oh, you think that go on? I know one thing on the comment section. I want to see the fire emoji, the shit emoji, the garbage. I want to know the thing about the flu and all the things set up, brother. Hey, Bumbo clock, I put it up and listen to that. Come here, Alka.
Our voice make up a bag of night. Girl, why she will take it na the crowd? When me say fish up the fuck up, she a squeal. Like it just a flow up in a pussy on a stream, and you just like a meal. Fall in love, best believe me. And she a tell me say she love me so much. She a tell me say she love me so much. Yeah, she a tell me say she love me. Baby, when you do a fuck
Hey, Bumbo clock, what?
me, now look me.
Real. Hey, yeah, black girl, lovely. Oh, love you. Blood clot, girl. Come down, have a crab. Hey.
I smoke you with my knife. I make you fall in love, girl. I got up on her voice. Make up a bag of nice. Girl, why she will take it to the crowd? When it's a bitch at the back up, she a squeal. Like it just a flow up in a pussy on a stream, and you just like a meal. Fall in love, best believe me. Let's be good punani, fling up the pussy for me. Without a title, clean the rifle like she learn.
Bumbo clot. Where's a blessed with good punani fling up the pussy? Bumbo.
Yeah, me cock it taller than the Eiffel touch, you get the wet tsunami. Shout up your friend and make one link up.
Cock it taller than the knife to touch you. Wet up tsunami. Hey, girl.
Now I know my girl, me just a fucking tight pussy. Make she see them panic, cocky and she rock it. Now be alive. Shot me, shot the girl, I buck she love.
Tight pussy make you sit down for the cocky and broke it. Now be alive. Hey, girl. Hey, how do girl love it like that? I love you. Broke. Hey!
5 years ass banging it 2 waking up the neighbors, yeah. I wanna tell them body send me a load up a Charlie. Check in with her, she care for me, man, I forgot to rally. My fool a girl, my Kevin check till I add up a tally. If she fuck my G, the man and nothing that I feel with Dolly.
Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot. Yo, full of girl, if you add them up, me still a tally every Hey!
After when I look no wife, but I fall in love, girl, I get up on her voice, make up a bag of nice.
If you fuck on hey, have a full of bag of girl, if you add them up, me still a tally. You see me? If you fuck on one of me G and know nothing after me now, look now. What? Hey, boy!
Girl, why she will take it to the ground? When it's a bitch at the back up, she a squeal. Like it just a flow up in a pussy and a stream, and me just like a meal. Fall in love, best believe me. Anyone will if you God bless him, forget your girl is a blessing. Reason for me ends and every dog I say she impress him. Hook you to me chorus toxic.
Easy, brother. Easy. They pull up the lyrics. They expect the lyrics, but pull it up. Hold on there. Yo, but I don't know about the song. I don't know anything about the song and like and comment and share and subscribe. You see me? But yo, I like man, different flows, I also switch it up. I like the blood clot concept. Hey, the melody.
All in love, best believe me. Anyone will if you God bless him, forget your girl is a blessing. Reason for me ends and every dog I say she.
A man say, yo, any man left your girl, God bless him. Yes, coffee get you is a God bless him. Bring you up on the hill and every dog.
Press him, hook you to me chorus toxic love addict, no heroin. Fuck the heavy, no red herring. Me touch it, cause fuck it. I'ma think I'll price him, fuck it, me no sure. But our link still we a boss it. If I no pants foot, me no cuff it. Now look no one more.
A man say, yo, sitting there, fuck it, down there, fuck it, but yo, you know what, cause, yo, if I no pants foot, we don't cuff it. Bumbo clot, easy.
I'ma think I'll price him, fuck it, me no sure. But our link still we a boss it. If I no pants foot, me no cuff it. Now look no wife, more with my knife. I make you fall in love, girl, I got up on her voice. Make up a bag of nice. Girl, why she will take it to the crowd? When it's a bitch at the back up, she a squeal. Like it just a flow up in a pussy and a stream, and you just like a meal. Fall in love, best believe me.
Bumbo clot. Alka. Bumbo clot. God salute the Bumbo clot man for the one dog. Dog hard. You know I lie, the flow is mad. The melody mad, the lyrics mad, the bumbo clap concept mad. Yo, dog, you have to get a video for this, man. Alkaline, if you see this, you have to get a video for this song, your brother. The song is shot. You have to make a video. You have to fully a bad, you have to fully a bad girl. Bad girl, be a bad girl, everywhere. You see me, I say, bumbo clap people, let me know the thing about the song in the comment section. You see me? Let me see the fire emoji, the garbage kind of emoji, or the shit emoji. Depends on how you feel. Let me know. And you type out anything about the song. What you like? You like the concept, you like the lyrics, you like the melody, you like the beat, you like the... You know what I'm saying? Let me know, man. Have a full conversation about it in the live and in the comments. Let me know what you think. Definitely go show the artist some support if you like this video. Let him know that your boy Jambisco sent you. Let him know that's with the latest channel on YouTube. You see me? And on the like the song, you see what I said? So you don't know. Yo, people, you don't know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. I'm in the back on the grind. I'm coming out with the vibes. You know what I say? We're the latest channel for YouTube. So, I make nobody be telling nothing. I try to chicken. You don't know what the original is. You don't know what the G is. You don't know. You know where it's at. The latest channel with the family over here. Jambisco gang. We're taking it all the way to the top 2020 and beyond. You don't know what the... Hey, love you know. You see me? I know what you think in the comment section. So, boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Love you guys. And I'm out.